Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start with the great name of Allah, who is most kind and merciful. So, first of all, my name is Hyder Chandio, BSCS by 2K70, LCS 10. So, operating system. Outline of operating system. Operating system, function of components of operating system, type of operating system, process and program. So what is operating system? An operating system is collection of software that manage computer hardware, resource and provide common service for computer programs. So operating system. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, heading input and output, and controlling peripherals devices such as disk device and printers. So the operating system is the most important program that run a computer every general purpose. Computer must have an operating system to run other programs and applications. Computer operating system perform basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard, setting input to the display screen, keeping track and file and characters and the storage drives, and controlling previous devices such as printers. For large for large system, the operating system will have generate responsibility and powers. It is like a traffic cop. It makes sure that different programs and user running at the same time do not interfere with each other. The operating system is also responsible same time do not interfere with each other. The operating system is also responsible for security, ensuring that unauthorized users do not access the system. So diagram is operating system users, system software, application software, operating system, hardware, CPU, RAM and one core. So function of operating system, providing a user interface, running application, support for built-in Unity programs, control and the computer hardware. So user interface. A user interface refers to a part of an operating system program and device that allow a user to enter and receive information. So text user interface, command line interface, graphics user interface. This is diagram of interface. This is diagram of control of the computer hardware. For ways in which an operating system controls hardware of a computer: drives, memory management, CPU control, fans and coolant. Drives. In computing, the device drives computer program that operators or controls and particular type of device that will achieve the computer a inbuilt operating system, and the hardware device inbuilt operating system and computer program that access hardware function without needing to know process detail about the hardware being used. A driver communication with the drive through the computer bus and the communication subsystems to which the hardware connected when a calling program invokes retune in the drive. The drivers ensures calling program drive commands to the device when the device sends data back to the drivers, and driver make include retain the original calling program. Memory management. Memory management is the of resource management applied to computer memory. The instead requirement of memory management is the provide where to dynamically allocation of memory in programs at their request and free it for issues when no longer needed. This is secure is the any advanced computer system where more than a single process might be the end driver and any time. Server modes have been devised and increase the effectiveness of memory management. Virtual memory system expand the memory addressing used by a process from actual physical address allows expansion of processor and increasing the size of the virtual address space. Minus the available amount of RAM using panging of sweeping to secondary storage. The quality of the user memory manager can have an absolute effect of overall system performance. The CPU control. The control unit CPU is a component of computer's control process unit CPU. The directed operation of the process. It tells a computer's memory, arithmetic and log and the logic unit input and output device. Also responsible the instructions that have been sent to the processor. And directs in the operation of the other unit by providing timing and control signals. Most computer resources are managed by the CPU and direct the follow-up data between the CPU and the other devices. John 1 and human include the control unit is part of the modern computer designs. The control unit typically in the internal part of the CPU, but it is overall rule and operations and unchanged since and instructions. Fans and polling. A computer fan is any fan inside or attached a computer case used for active cooling fans or used to drive cooler air and into the case from the outside expel warm air from inside and move air increase a hot sink heat sink to cool a particular compounds both axial and sometimes conflict for blower secure fans and used in computer fans commonly come in size and air powered and controlled using 3-pin or 4-pin fans connectors. So file management, process management, IO device management, network management, secondary storage management, and security management, roles, dedication, and computer components operation. This is type of operating system: single user, single task, single user, multitask, multi-user, multitask. A single user, single task. In the operating system, a user only perform on task in one time. This system is only deal on a person at that time. Example: Plum hand held in best example of single user, single task. Advantage: this operating system is occupies less space in memory. Disadvantage: is can perform only a single task at a time. Single user multitask. An operating system is deals with multiple operations. It allows the user to perform multiple tasks in one time. Advantages: it is time saving or it performs multiple tasks at a time, yielding high productivity. Disadvantage: this operating system is highly complex and occupies more space. Multiple user, multiple tasks. It is an operating system that permits servers user to unite in programs that are concurrently running and on a single network server. Advantage: it is highly productive and perform multiple tasks at a time. It is time saving is when do not have to make change in many desktops instant can make change only to the server. Disadvantage: it is connection to the server is broken. User connect perform any task in the client. It is connect to that server. Process and program. Program is a process or related terms. The major difference between program and process is that program is a group of instructions to carry out of a specified task, whereas the process is a program in execution, while a process is any active entity. A program is considered to be passive one. So, definition of program. A program in simple words can be considered as a system. Actually, is a batch processing system. These are called executive job while in a real-time operating system it is called task and program. Definition of process. A process is any execution of a program. It is considered in active entity and realize that actions specified as a program. Multiple process can be related to some programs. Future of operating system: reliable, operational all time. Should coordinated and have good control of input and output. Operator in the lives on which they are performs. So thank you very much. Wait.
Nice.
13 मिनट
शेटी स्टाफ का એના તક
13 मिनट अभी थोड़े
તું सब એના મેલે સ્લાઇડ એના મેલે બીજે પીપીટી એના 13
રેડી માલા 13 મિનિટ બીઠો થઈ
जो गला है
થેન્ક યુ આઈ
हाँ थैंक यू सो मच वेरी मच